Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is relationship between arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Geometric mean square is equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. When we multiply harmonic mean and arithmetic mean with each other, the value which we find is the square value of the geometric mean. Second one, arithmetic mean is always greater or equal to geometric mean, and geometric mean is greater or equal to the harmonic mean. So first, geometric mean square is equal to harmonic mean into arithmetic mean, and arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean or equal to, and geometric mean is greater or equal to the harmonic mean, which means that arithmetic mean is obviously greater or equal to the harmonic mean. Calculate. We have an example. Calculate arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean for the following distribution of annual death rates. First, we have x values. Then we have frequency of that numbers. We will prove the given relationship, which is given in two bullets 1 and 2. Geometric mean square is equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean, and arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean and is greater than harmonic, greater or equal to harmonic mean. First relationship and second relationship would be proved over here. We have this data x1 3.95, 4.95 up to 13.95, and similarly we have frequency of those number against them. So arithmetic mean is the formula for arithmetic mean is it is summation of f of I into xi divided by n. F of I xi, we will multiply both xi and its frequency. Then sum of f of I into xi, it is 785.6, and sum of frequency is 88. So arithmetic mean is 8.92. Geometric mean is anti-log of summation of f of I log of xi over n. Log of xi is equal to this value. We have xi value and we'll find out its log. Then f of I would be multiplied with this log value, and then sum of this f of I log xi value. So geometric mean is equal to 8.66. Similarly, harmonic mean, as we know that harmonic mean is the reciprocal value of the inverse value of arithmetic mean. So it would be 1 over xi. So 1 divided by xi, 1 divided by 3.95 is 0.25. Similarly, 1 divided by 13.95 is 0.07168. And f of I would be multiplied by this reciprocal value, which is given over here. Now the sum of this f of I into 1 over xi is 10.50672. So harmonic mean is calculated, which is 8.38. So arithmetic mean is 8.93, geometric mean is 8.66, harmonic mean is 8.38. Now first relationship which we have to prove is that geometric mean square is equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. So geometric mean is equal to 8.66, which whose square is 74.9956, and arithmetic mean is 8.93 and harmonic mean is 8.38, and we will multiply both of them, which is result is 74.81055. So first relationship is proved that geometric mean square is almost equal to the arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Second relationship was that arithmetic mean is greater or equal to geometric mean, and geometric means are greater or equal to harmonic mean. So arithmetic mean is greater than all of them, which is 8.93. Similarly, geometric mean is 8.66, which is greater than the harmonic mean, and harmonic mean is 8.38. 3/8. So both relationships are proved over here. First relationship, which was 6 geometric mean square, must be equal to the arithmetic mean and harmonic mean, and arithmetic mean is greater or equal to geometric mean, which is greater or equal to harmonic mean. So it was today's lecture in which we find out the relationship between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. I hope you understand it and practice an example on the discrete, continuous, and individual series.